reads my name, something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be making a gluten-free cocktail. And it's amazing because people think, oh yeah, it's a cocktail. Of course it'll be gluten-free. No, it's definitely not the case. Any cocktails do have gluten. Not that I drink them, but but I do know that many of them do because many alcohols contain gluten, believe it or not. So what I thought I would do today is to show you a capriosa, which is all gluten-free. So what we have here is we have a lime, vodka. I've got the absolute vodka here. I normally use Grey Goose, but I've just got this, so I'll use that up. Lemonade, you're going to find out why. And this is a sugar syrup. So sugar syrup, this is a very popular product with pastry chefs in pastry kitchens. And basically, it's equal quantities of sugar and water. So let's call it 500 ml of sugar, 500 grams of water, and in a pot, bring it to the boil, done. So that's what this is, sugar syrup. So half water, half sugar, super sweet. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Just got a shot glass here. Might make it a little bit stronger. Might do, say, I'll do 30 mils. That's okay. This glass, I think it makes a big difference with glasses, what glasses you use for cocktails as well. This is a Riddell water glass, but I make these for people when I have them over for dinner, especially in summer, and they love them. And they love them so much. They normally get quite smashed on them because they'll have half a dozen because they're just so nice. And then they go to stand up and then it's a different story. So, but they're really nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I make it. All right, so we've got the lime here. I'll give that a quick wash. As you know, we always wash everything. You never know what's been on it. Yeah, could have a few nasty bits and pieces on there that you're not aware of. Okay, so what we do, I just throw it in here. Okay, so I basically got one full lime. I just cut it up into quarters. And what we're going to do now, I'm fortunate enough to have a fridge that makes ice and crushed ice. I love them. If you don't have one, try and get one. They're the best. So what I'm going to do, I will fill it up to here with crushed ice, okay? Nearly there. Okay. Crushed ice. That's perfect. Does a great job. So what we're going to do now is put this away underneath the board. Always remember, so your board doesn't slip. You already learnt that, so you know. So what we do, they call these a muddler or something like that. And we just inside, so we prue the ice with the skin. So the skins in the lime have amazing flavour. So we just push it through like so, okay? And what this does, so we end up with the rind of the lime all over the ice, and then we're basically juicing it at the same time. Yep. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. So it's really cold, okay? So this is what we do, all right? So 30 mils of vodka. And boy, I was, when I used to drink, I was in London Christmas one year, and we were really fortunate. I popped into the Ritz Hotel in London, and I just jumped off the plane, and we were in there, and the cocktail bar was just amazing. I think I got there on a Friday night, and it was jam-packed, and I thought it would be, so I'd booked previously for entering the hotel, and geez, it was incredible cocktails, eh, mate? I tell you, well worth a visit. Ritz in Mayfair. It's around the corner from Kensington Palace. Okay. Enough for my story. So we've got that in there. Okay, so we've got the sugar syrup and we've got the vodka. So we give that a shake. So cold. This is what I do. So, the spoon. Gotta have the spoon because you must taste. I taste everything before I give it to someone. This isn't for me. This is for somebody else because I don't really drink. Okay. Look at that. Amazing. Okay. So what I do now, you can use any lemonade you want. I like the Schweppes lemonade in this one. I will make one up myself with the turbo soda stream that we have. But I couldn't be bothered going down there buying syrup and all the rest. So I just purchased a can just to show you. Okay? Feels special. In it goes. You don't want to be putting anything else in this, okay? You don't want to be using lime, mint, cucumber, all these different garnishes. Just keep it really simple. All right? I do have a cocktail spoon here somewhere. I don't know, it's somewhere. We give it a taste. Gee, that's good. Really strong lime. Just a little bit more lemonade, because lemonade's quite sweet, but I don't want it too sweet. That's it. Actually, I know it's tasting different because this is Absolute Vodka, which is nice vodka. What I normally use is Grey Goose, and Grey Goose is very different. Grey Goose is a French distilled vodka. This one's Swedish, but that's why it tastes a little bit different. But I would keep it exactly like this. This is quite delightful. There you go. So that's it. That's your gluten-free capriosa. Have 6 of those. You'll sleep like a baby. See you guys. Any questions? Let us know. Cheers. Bye.